Hey guys, Martin from Impress Computers, and today we have another custom build. So it's been a while since we uploaded the last video with our custom build. We've been super busy. Now I want to show you, we have the new custom build in the office. We built an i7 with the Z390 Prime from Asus. It's got the M22 cooler from NZXT, RGB from the Corsair Ram, and the case is the new NZXT 510 Elite. This is a white and black version. You can change all the colors inside. As you can tell, it's going all crazy all over around it. There's a software that we install in there for you so you can customize it the way you want it. The computer has a 240 gig solid state drive with a 500 gig storage device for your games, as well as a 3-year warranty. So if any part of this machine fails within a 3-year warranty, you just bring it back. And what we also will offer is chat support through Discord. So for any questions, we actually have a chat panel, and you can shoot all of your questions, all of your doubts. If something goes wrong, we can troubleshoot with you and we can help you out. So if you have any questions on this build or any other builds, please give us a call at 281-647-9977 or leave your comments down below. Thank you.